Academic writing forms a critical part of the academic world, where research papers serve as one of the primary methods of conveying complex ideas, findings, and arguments. Understanding what a research paper is allows students, scholars, and professionals to communicate their ideas effectively. So, what is a research paper? In simple terms, it is a scholarly article that presents original research, analysis, or an argument, often backed by evidence. Whether you're a novice in academic writing or looking to refine your skills, knowing the different types of research papers and how to write them is essential. What is a research paper? A research paper is an academic document that aims to answer a specific question or explore a topic through systematic investigation. It includes a detailed examination of a subject, typically through critical analysis and evidence-based writing. The structure of a research paper typically includes a title, abstract, introduction, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, and references. Writing a research paper is more than just compiling facts. It requires a thorough understanding of the subject matter and the ability to engage critically with the topic. It involves constructing a clear argument, supporting it with credible evidence, and presenting findings in a logical and coherent manner. Types of research papers. There are several types of research papers, each with its unique purpose and structure. Analytical research papers. An analytical research paper presents an in-depth analysis of a topic. The author breaks down an issue or concept into smaller components, evaluates these parts, and presents a comprehensive understanding of the subject. This type of research paper is not intended to persuade the reader, but to provide a deeper insight into the topic through objective analysis. Argumentative research papers. An argumentative research paper, on the other hand, aims to convince the reader of a particular point of view. The writer presents a clear thesis and supports it with evidence and reasoning. Unlike analytical papers, argumentative research papers focus on persuading the reader to accept the author's perspective. Experimental research papers. Experimental research papers report findings from experiments conducted by the author. These papers follow the scientific method, including a hypothesis, experimental setup, results, and conclusions. Experimental research is common in fields such as psychology, biology, and other sciences where empirical evidence is crucial. Review research papers. Review research papers summarize and synthesize existing research on a given topic. They do not present new research, but provide a comprehensive overview of what has already been studied. These papers are often used to identify gaps in current knowledge or to consolidate understanding of a subject. Key elements of academic writing. Academic writing, particularly in research papers, follows a structured approach. Here are the key elements to keep in mind. Thesis statement. The thesis statement is the foundation of your research paper. It presents the main argument or question that your paper will address. A strong thesis is clear, concise, and guides the direction of the entire paper. Critical analysis. Critical analysis is vital to academic writing. It requires the writer to engage with the evidence, assess its relevance and reliability, and use it to support their argument. This involves looking beyond the surface to understand the deeper implications of the research. Evidence-based writing. In a research paper, all arguments must be backed by credible evidence. This could be from primary sources such as experiments and surveys or secondary sources, like scholarly articles and books. Proper citation is crucial to avoid plagiarism and to give credit to original authors. Steps to writing a research paper. Writing a research paper can be broken down into several steps. Choosing a topic. Selecting a topic is the first and most crucial step. Choose a subject that interests you and is relevant to your field of study. Ensure that there is enough material available to support your research. Conducting research. Once you've chosen a topic, the next step is to conduct thorough research. This involves gathering relevant information from credible sources, such as academic journals, books, and online databases. Take detailed notes and organize your findings to support your thesis. Structuring your paper. The structure of your paper is essential for clear communication. Start with an introduction that presents your thesis statement, followed by a body section that discusses your findings, and conclude with a summary of your key points. Ensure that each section flows logically from one to the next. Editing and proofreading. After writing your first draft, it's time to edit and proofread. This step is crucial for eliminating errors, improving clarity, and ensuring that your argument is cohesive. Always review your work multiple times to catch any mistakes. How mywordai.com can help with research papers. Writing a research paper can be daunting, but tools like mywordai.com can simplify the process. MyWordI is designed to assist with academic writing, helping you structure your paper, enhance your arguments, and improve clarity. The AI-powered tool offers advanced features that streamline the writing process, from generating ideas to editing the final draft. Features of MyWordI for academic writing. MyWordI.com offers various features tailored for academic writers. Its AI-driven suggestions help refine your writing, ensuring that your paper is well-structured and error-free. Additionally, the app can help you generate outlines, check for grammar mistakes, and even ensure that your thesis statement is clear and concise. Download MyWordI today to enhance your research paper writing process. In conclusion, understanding what a research paper is and how to write one is essential for anyone engaged in academic writing. By following a structured approach, choosing the right type of research paper, and utilizing tools like mywordai.com, you can improve your writing and produce scholarly articles that stand out. Whether you're writing an analytical, argumentative, or review paper, MyWordI can provide the support you need to excel. Download MyWordI from the Play Store today and elevate your academic